It's tough to point fingers at somebody when he plays at his franchise, and you've worked so much with him. I myself, since 2018, 2017, worked with him. Some guys in some structures, I don't know, the Sharks didn't do really well this year, but when we get them here, of course, we know what we have in them, and we know how they understand our game plan. So it's difficult to sometimes speak from franchise form. If you know what I'm saying, it's difficult because you don't know the setup, the team spirit, what happened in that week. Are the guys all in sync? Are they all happy? So and Akkers is such a great coach, but obviously Andre didn't shoot the lights out, but he's never not done it for us. He's always been solid for us. So it's difficult to judge that. I mean, obviously a lot of people has a lot of comments about that. We know what he can do. He's 31. He's not an old guy. Why would he all of a sudden play badly? Is there injury? No, there's not an injury. So maybe it's just one of those 1 or 2 weeks that it wasn't great. Kieran's strength is his defense, and the first try was the guy just who ran over him and obviously conceded a try there. But the nice thing was it didn't take him off focus, and in the game he certainly had some wonderful passes, creating tries for guys, kicked really well to touch. I know the one ball he did that kick over the dead ball line for touch. But this is what this game was for, to sort out a few problems, to get some answers, and more problems that we got in the game. So overall, I thought he did really well. I think Vusi also is a really calm guy, and I think he's really impressive. So yeah, I think he impressed us as well. So happy with Kieran. A guy like Riley, 19, 20 years old, playing a full match against grown men. That's not easy. I think Paul did well when he came on. So Evan was good. Who's the other guys? I thought Faf was decent when he got back into the mix. On the SA side, obviously Stocker ran the show there, but I really thought they did really well. It's difficult to gauge how good Zimbabwe really are, but I thought they stuck really well to their structures the whole game. I thought they were really impressive.